She came out so good, you guys. I'm obsessed. Hi guys, welcome back. So today, as you can tell, we're in the bathroom. Maybe you can't tell. And the reason why my hair looks so crazy is because we're gonna dye it. So yeah, I have dyed it this color. Well, this color specifically is my second time doing this, but I've been dyeing my hair dark now for a while. So I wanted to show you guys what I've been doing, what I use, how I dye it, just basically the whole process. And I'm also going to be trimming my hair, cutting my hair. Nothing too short or crazy, but yeah, I wanted to bring you guys along for the process. So I'm just going to jump right in and share with you guys the color that I use. It's by Ion. So I get this from Sally Beauty, and it is their Color Brilliance line. And this is in the color Radiant Black Raspberry. It's really pretty. It has like reddish, like pinky reddish hues in your hair, and it's also black, which is what I like to dye my hair. And it's also in the, I don't know what you call it, code 1VR, in case you guys want to try this guy out. And then I also just use a developer. You always need to use a developer with color. And I use 10 because I'm not trying to lift. I'm just putting color on my hair. So I usually use, sorry, I'm always burping. I usually use like either a 10 or a 20 developer. Really doesn't matter much, but since you're not trying to lift your hair, you don't have to go up high at all. So I just use this Ion Sensitive Scalp developer, and it works great. All you need is half the bottle per one dose of this. So this is basically all I need because I just usually put it on the top, and it's cool because it kind of gives me like a more dimensional color because it doesn't really color everything, which is fine. And it's not patchy or anything. So to start, I'm going to show you guys. You want to make sure everything's covered because the last thing you want is for hair dye to get on something you don't want it to get on. So I just cover the sink with a towel because trust me, there will be splatter. And then you want to wear a shirt. I don't have my typical hair dyeing shirt I usually wear. I can't find it. I don't know where it is. It's hiding from me. But yeah, just wear a shirt you don't care about getting ruined because it ain't gonna wash out. Next, I always wear gloves. So you can just get any kind of disposable gloves. Luckily we have plenty on hand right now. So this just protects your hands from getting stained. And it will wash off eventually. It just prevents you from getting hair dye on your hands when you don't need it to be on your hands. So yeah. And then I just put everything in a cup, and then I mix it up, and then I just put it on my head. Top of my head. As you can see, the bottom half isn't touched. This is because this is basically a touch-up. I dyed my hair just about maybe 6-7 weeks ago, so I don't need to be dyeing my whole head, obviously, because and it's just not good for it either. So yeah, I just basically touched up the first half of my hair. Trust me, it'll blend in nicely because it's already kind of that same color. So this is going to sit for about 20 to 25 minutes. And then I'll be back and we're gonna wash the hair dye out. Okay guys, we're back. It's been about 25 minutes and we are ready to wash out the hair dye. I'm wearing a bathing suit because I don't want to be flashing you guys. I like to always cover my eyes with a washcloth. So I'll take like a washcloth and pin it against my face so it doesn't get into my eyes until I know the dye is kind of off because you don't want to get hair dye in your eyes. Okay guys, I'm out of the shower. My hair's wet, so you probably can't really tell any difference, but it definitely is darker. So it was a success. And yeah, my camera's actually dying, so I'm gonna go charge it, and then we're gonna get to the haircut. Hi guys, so we're back. My hair is dyed. What do you guys think? Can you even tell? There's like reddish hues in it. It's so nice. I love it. So yeah, really happy with how the color turned out. But like I said, I've used this one once before, but yeah, I just love it. So this is the length of my hair. It's pretty long. But yeah, I just want to give it a trim. The ends have definitely gotten a lot more damaged. There's no knots or anything. I haven't cut my hair. Last time I did it myself too. And it was about 2 months ago, 3 months ago. It was right at the beginning of everything. So I think I want to cut about this much off. Make sure it's tight enough. Yeah, like that guy right at the end. Oh no, I'm a little nervous. Okay. Oh, I missed some hair. Oh no. Well, I'll just cut that in. Okay, here we go. That doesn't seem like a lot to you guys, but to me, oh my god, it's kind of a lot. It's a lot of hair. Oof. Oh my god. Okay, I took off quite a bit. It doesn't seem bad. It actually looks kind of good. Take another section of that, pull it up. And then you just cut into it. Okay. What do you guys think? Did I do a terrible job? Okay. I think I'm done. I think it looks pretty darn even. What do you guys think? But I have a lot more body, I feel like. I already had body to begin with, but I feel like the hair was kind of weighing that down. I don't know. I think it came out great. I will show you guys in better lighting, of course. But yeah, super happy I went through with it. It feels a lot healthier. That was definitely my goal. I went a little shorter than I was going to intentionally originally, but I'm really happy with the result. Sorry for the bad lighting, guys. I just wanted to show you that I'm going to be putting some of this Chi silk leave-in stuff. This really helps tame the frizz. It just gives your hair a nice shine. Woohoo! Oh my gosh, it came out so good, you guys. I'm obsessed. I love the length. I love the color. I don't know if you guys can see. There's like a raspberry reddish tint. You can really see it in the light. Excuse my dog's nails clacking. But yeah, here's the back. I don't know, maybe it looks horrible back there. I can't really tell, but from the front it looks good. But yeah. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this. I hope it was fun to come along with me on coloring my hair, giving it a nice fresh cut. And yeah, if you did enjoy this, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe down below before you go so you don't miss a video I put out. I put out videos every single week, 3 times a week, so definitely hit the bell down below so you are notified every time I upload. And yeah, thanks so much guys for watching. I really appreciate it. And until I see you guys in my next video, bye!